I want to talk for a couple minutes about TubeBuddy. Now, there are a lot of videos on the internet about TubeBuddy. They talk about the features, they talk about how it can help you grow your YouTube channel, and there's a place for all those. But honestly, if I tried to make that video, it would just get lost in the sea. There's so many of those videos already. Even if I were to talk about my favorite feature, which is A/B thumbnail testing, and go into the details about how it can actually save you money and make you money as a YouTuber, and how that feature alone truly can pay for TubeBuddy itself, even that has already been said before. So I want to focus on a different aspect of TubeBuddy. I want to focus on the team. TubeBuddy has an awesome team. For my channel of over 10,000 people, not this channel, but my other one, my primary vlog channel, they contacted me just to see how I was using their tool. And they wanted to get my feedback on how to make their tool better. And they didn't have to, but in thanks for doing that, they gave me money and merch. Here, I'll show it to you. There's nothing in it, it's just a prop right now. But I think that's really kind of them. They also gave me a hat, but I'm not wearing it right now because I've worn it so much that now it's kind of nasty. Oh, and this tote bag too, which is much appreciated. That's my cat. They hosted a creator day recently and they gave me this t-shirt. They handed out these t-shirts like crazy. And notice also that there's not even any TubeBuddy branding on this t-shirt. Like they could have used it to promote themselves, but they literally just wanted to bless us. They wanted creators to be able to say, I'm a creator, and have a t-shirt that shows it. I think that's pretty cool. TubeBuddy is not all about their business. They're genuinely interested in seeing creators grow on YouTube. They're committed to helping us to grow on YouTube. And yeah, download their tools, use their tools, that's gonna help you. There's a link in the description that can help you do that. Get you a free 30-day trial of the Legend version so that you can try out the A/B testing for yourself. But don't just go with TubeBuddy because it's got a great tool. Go with TubeBuddy because it's got a great team. That's what I'm doing. And if that's what I'm doing, I know you can do it too because, hey, I'm just an average guy.